Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to calculate VAT as non-value added tax on a calculator. In order to do that, I will give you two examples and I will go a little bit detailed. How much is the amount of the tax and what is the total amount added after tax. So for the first example, I'm gonna get the price of $1,250 and let's say we want to add a tax of 5%. What will be the amount of 5%? How to find this? First of all, you're gonna press the multiply button and after that you're gonna type 5 and you're gonna press the percentage button. It's 0.05. What is the result? The 5% of 1,250 is $62.5. Let's add this to the amount of 1,250. How to do that? 1,250 and after we're gonna say plus 5% and then we're gonna press the percentage button. It's 62.5 but it's not ended. In order to find the total amount we have to press the equal button and the total price after the VAT added will be 1,312.5. Let's do one more example. Let's say we have the amount of 586 and I want to add the tax of 10%. How to do that? Pressing the plus button because it's going to be added and typing 10. After that we are pressing the percentage button and the amount of tax will be $85.6, but in order to find the final amount we have to press the equal button and the total amount will be $644.6. Now I'm going to show you the shortcut of this way, how to add the tax in a very quick way. Let's say we have once again the amount of 450, but this time we're gonna press the multiply button and we want to add 5% to this amount. How to do that? 1.05. This sends that the 0.5% and the 1 is the percentage which will be added to this amount in order to be calculated. After the decimal, everything is the percentage. Pressing equal and the final amount will be 472.5 cents if we add 5% to this tax revenue. Let's calculate one more to be very flat, 100, and I want to add the tax of 15%, multiply button, 1.15 equal 150. That shows us that we are right. So this is simple video. I hope it will be helpful to you. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.